to work on leetcode 3184, count pairs that form a complete day. This is version 1, which has much less hours length compared to version 2. So the question says we are given an array of hours representing times in hours. And we need to select two index, I and j, where I should be less than j. This means we cannot select just one index twice, right? And hours I plus hours j should be a multiply of 24. Okay, and in order to solve this version, actually, if you are interested in the second version, you can see my solution as 3185. But for this one, we just use two for loop to simplify the implementation and easier to be understood by some beginners. So let's do it. We will define the result, and we will just use two for loop. So this is I, and j should be start with I minus I plus 1, right? And j should be less than the hours size. And the sum is just hours I plus hours j. And if s divided by the residual is 0, we add 1 to res, and then we just return res. Okay, it seems correct. So let's submit. Yeah, it's passed. So I think for beginners, you need to learn how to write those for loops. And the second for loop is inside the first for loop. And the beginning for j should be I plus 1. It should not be 0. Otherwise, you are double counting some numbers, right? And I think for beginners here, you might have some issue. For example, if you write this way, it will be wrong, because this means the residual of this one is larger than 0, right? But actually we need the residual equal to 0. It's just the opposite way. So yeah, this is something you need to consider about. And okay, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.